Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is Monday, October 23rd. This is the ES chart 2000 tick interval. And this is what the market looked like when I opened up NinjaTrader this morning. You can see the previous week and then the pre-market leading up to today's open. You can see we kind of traded down towards new lows in the prices, and then at market open we kind of just hanging around. The EMA is kind of flat. Looks like another trading range structure for today, but then it started getting momentum towards the upside, and we started with the uptrend today. I didn't make any trades this morning because there's nothing that I really liked to see, but I did mark a few where I thought I might have entered with a little more confidence and whatnot. But yeah, so 8:30 came along, and there wasn't that much movement volatility wise. Just kind of hung around the EMA for a bit, and then headed down. I think made a new low, and then from there just kind of skyrocketed back up towards the upside to the highs of the day. Like I said before, I didn't make any trades today. Well, actually this morning. I hopped back on later on during the morning and made a trade, and it worked out, but I didn't get it on film because it was so late. But yeah, as you can see, we had like what looks like a little range-like structure right there, and then broke down. You can see we have like a visual 2 legs down, and then made a new high, and then started going back down. But yeah, it was just kind of confusing, and it wasn't like a clean entry or setup that I saw this morning that I really liked, and everything just kind of didn't make sense to where it was going, because you can see we just made a new low, and then from that new low we just skyrocketed back up all of a sudden. I thought we were going to go back and test the bottom again, but we didn't do that, and it started just going up from there. And then once it hit the top, it kind of reversed, and then when I hopped back on later, it just kind of totally reversed and just went all the way towards the downside. But looking back this morning, it was a decent uptrend range from this point on right here. It kind of resembled a spike and then into a bigger channel. That's what I had looking back at it, was a spike into a bigger channel. And like I said, not a lot of moves today. Coming up here though, there was a second entry long that I thought about taking, but I wasn't fully comfortable because I did not like the signal bar it gave at first. But it ended up working out to be a nice move, and yeah, I marked it on my chart because I thought maybe if I was more risky I would have took it, because it did end up working out, and you can see it fills into our trend channel going up quite nicely, and then made like a almost 4-point scalp. But yeah, I didn't enter that one because I was just a little scared. Didn't like the signal bar it gave, and I'm trying to be strict to my strategy, so didn't like the signal bar, didn't enter it. But if I was more risky, I probably would have taken it. But after that, really not much movement. It just kind of spiked up into that range that I'm talking about, bigger range, and then just did its thing from there. I'm gonna keep it short. Today's video is short. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'm going to leave my most recent video to the left and then subscribe button to the right. If you haven't done so, please do. everybody that did traded today had a good trading day. And if not, there's always tomorrow. And I'll see everybody in the next video tomorrow on Tuesday. Peace.